Hi guys, Winnie here. I'm going to be sharing my anti-aging skincare routine with my must-have skincare products from Kroger. You can find all of these products at any of your local Kroger family of stores, but I'm going to show you how you can keep your skin glowing and smooth. First, I'm going to remove my makeup before anything, and I'm using the Garnier Skin Active Cleansing Towelettes. These will draw out dirt, oil, and makeup really quickly and easily. I always stress the importance of removing all of your makeup before your skincare routine or even before going to bed because it does play a huge role in your skin. This is called double cleansing when you use a product to break down the makeup and then you go in to clean your skin. So now I'm taking the CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser to wash my face and remove any leftover impurities. This is a great gentle cleanser for my skin and it's hydrating, which is important for anti-aging because you always want your skin to look plump and smooth. It actually has ceramides and hyaluronic acid in it, which helps your skin retain moisture. And it's always a great idea to use a more gentle, mild formula cleanser on your skin, especially for anti-aging because as you get older, your skin becomes more sensitive. And you can see that it helped me remove the makeup that I may have missed. So now that my face is feeling nice and clean, I'm going to hop into the shower, and I'm not going to take you guys in there with me, but I'll show you my must-have in-shower product. I discovered this last year and it's been life-changing. I've been loving it, and it's the Nivea in-shower body lotion. It works in the shower on your wet skin, so I'm going to demonstrate it on my shoulder and arm for you. So after you cleanse your body in the shower, you're going to apply a good amount of the body lotion to your skin, and you massage it in just like any lotion, and you rinse it off and dry off your skin as you would. For me personally, this makes a big difference because my skin is really dry, so this gives me an extra layer of moisture. The idea, of course, is that you can just skip the body lotion after your shower, but for me, because my skin is very dry, especially right after the shower, this keeps my skin feeling moisturized, and I'm going to layer a body lotion on top of this. People oftentimes forget to moisturize their body as well as they do their skin, and over time, it really makes a difference, especially on aging skin. And this is a really great body lotion from Vaseline. It's the Intensive Care Advanced Repair. It's unscented and it heals and relieves your dry skin and it doesn't leave any greasy feeling at all. And when applying body lotion, I really focus it around my ankles, my knees, elbows, and my hands because typically my hands will start to look really dry and it kind of tends to show your age. And then the next most important part is to make sure you moisturize your face. This is the Olay Regenerist Micro Sculpting Cream. This is a really powerful anti-aging moisturizer and it's lightweight. It actually does have SPF in it if you want to wear it in the daytime. SPF is really, really important in your skincare. This leaves your skin really hydrated and it helps to soften the look of fine lines and wrinkles. And you don't want to forget about your neck, so I'm going to apply a little bit there and massage it into my skin. It's another one of those areas that people tend to miss, but again shows your age over time. And last but not least, I always have to make sure my lips are moisturized. I'm using the Burt's Bees Vanilla Bean Moisturizing Lip Balm. It smells really good. This one doesn't have that really strong menthol scent or tingly feeling to it, but it keeps my lips really nice and smooth. And that completes my anti-aging skincare routine. I hope you enjoyed it and try out some of my go-to products, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!